Hi, Cherry from TM UK car dealership. So today I'll show you Toyota CHR for sale. I'll quickly show you the exterior. Very beautiful white color. Does have parking sensors as well. I'll quickly show you the interior. So the car is almost fully loaded. Have cruise control, lane departure alert, pre-collision warning system in it, indicators, Android system. If you'll just change to Japanese to English one, that's not a big issue. And this is the gearbox, handbrake, and light. In case if you want to see. So let's take the pictures. These are the back seats. Boot cover, can remove it with that ease. It does have spare wheel as well. Okay, you can drop down the seats, drop these seats, and you got plenty of space for there. So we have many different cars here: Land Cruiser, Range Rover, Foxy. We have a car wash here as well.